Hello and welcome to Carmen Miller's Talk of the Town, Carolinas. I'm your host, Patty Mercer, here with a couple of cool people talking about some hot chili called
Cooking for the kids.
Chili Showdown.
and why it's the talk of the town. Okay, it's that time of year and I'm talking about chili. I'm here with Scott Patterson, of course, the Executive Director for the Foundation for Fort Mill Schools. Hi, Scott.
Hello, Patty. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic.
Great.
And Donna Jackley, a face that we all know because of you're just a worker bee.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. And
yes.
we're going to talk about your involvement too
Thank you, yes.
with the chili and
Yep.
the Foundation for Fort Mill Schools.
Absolutely.
So before we get started, Scott, tell me a little bit about an update on where we are with the foundation.
Well, we're busy. We start out kind of right before school starts with our Classroom Ready program where we give out, this past year we gave out over 400 backpacks full
Wow.
of school supplies for kids in need in our community. And, we're very, very proud of that. We've got, Lynn Ringley who heads that up for us and does a phenomenal job. And, so anything that we do, we always want to do and make an impact on our kids in our school district.
What's the clever name you guys call it?
It's Cookin' for the Kids Chili Showdown, and it's our 4th annual.
Wow.
So this is our 4th year doing the event, and it's getting bigger and bigger each year. All of the Fort Mill schools participate. We have many local businesses. We're drawing from a couple of Charlotte businesses now, too.
Wow.
So we're getting bigger each year. And this year, we're actually adding a STEAM showcase. So STEAM is everywhere throughout our district. It's huge, so important, all the science, technology, arts, etc. So we have a showcase for that where local schools are going to showcase, including the NAFO event team, which has just gotten a grant.
So in terms of chili, this just is an event for everybody, whether you love chili or whether you love to cook chili.
We'll even have hot dogs there.
You have hot dogs for the non-chili eaters.
That's exactly
You've
right.
thought of
So-
everything. So what time, when is this?
It is January 26th at Nation Ford High School.
Oops, that's a change.
It's a change, that's
Yes,
right.
yeah,
So
little
Ding, ding,
take
ding,
note.
ding.
And it starts at 11 o'clock, opens the doors for the public, and we can taste all the way up till 1. And then the awards are announced at 1:30. And lots of awards for the chili teams that bring in the most money through their
Yes.
fundraising efforts, and ultimately we are funding all the programs for the foundation, all of our scholarship programs,
Grants.
teacher grants, and classroom ready needs. So this all goes right back to all of our students from Fort Mill. Absolutely. Yeah.
Wow, now I think you've got some pretty creative names for the awards. Did I read Pepto?
Pepto-Bismol.
There's
Yes.
those one. Okay, so let me guess. The hottest, the most seasoned.
Most seasoning, but
Okay.
sometimes people
Not
look
quite
at it
sure.
and think, should I have won this award? I'm not sure this is
Yeah.
something I'm glad to win. Is it an honor? But it is.
Also, what really surprised me the first time that I attended, the creativity.
Yes.
Oh, geez.
Yes.
I mean, you never know if you're going to see Elvis. There could be an Elvis sighting.
Tutus, chickens.
Yes. Yes. We've had all sorts of wonderfully creative teams over the years. Every year it kind of amps up a little bit more. There are certain teams that bring it every year and kind of have started that trend of we're going to dress up. There were the Dixie Chicks, I think, one year.
They kick it up a notch every year. It's
That's right.
amazing the creativity, like Donna said, what they do, and it's just a great time for our, school community to kind of come together, especially the different schools that have their teams, and even the district office. I think they've got 4 teams
We
right
have
now
4 teams, yeah,
from
4
the
teams from
district
the
office.
district
And
office.
so,
Wow. Yeah.
and a lot of these schools have their own little, chili cook-off to see put their best team forward. And
What will be different besides the location this year?
I think location is the biggest thing this year. Donna's done a great job. She's our chili chair this year. She's done a great job of getting us organized.
So what about cost for tastings?
Okay, so it's a $5 entry fee at the door. That's a little different than previous years. We used to do the chili kits, but we don't want anyone to feel like they're limited to only a certain number of tastes.
Okay.
You can taste as much as you want. Your $5 gets you 2 free tastings initially, and then you just make a minimum of a $1 donation or more. You can absolutely donate more than that, checks or cash, but it's mostly a cash-only event. So once you do that, you can taste any of the chilies throughout the entire
Wow.
program.
And
Bring
how
lots of
many?
money.
Oh, yes, bring lots of
Lots of
money.
money, lots of cash.
How many entries do you have right
I
now?
think we're at 24 right now, I
We're at
believe.
24 as of today, but we're only 2 weeks out, so we're still getting
We'll
more
take
and more
more.
entries.
Are you?
Absolutely.
We are.
So if someone has just a fantastic, they're listening to this on Tuesday and they're going, I got a fantastic recipe. I'm in it to win it. They can do it.
Absolutely.
Bring it
on.
Bring it on!
We love the
Okay.
competition. We love the creativity. Bring it on. And we also still have sponsorship opportunities at our chili website. If you take a look through there.
Silent auction, any?
No, not a silent auction this year. However, this is about the time of year that parents, how many of y'all have had to pay for braces?
Yeah.
We do have raffle tickets available for orthodontic package, and we will have those available the day of the event as
sweet.
well as prior to the event. So stay tuned because you're going to start seeing promotion on that. We also have our choral groups that are going to be there, so you're going to have more than Chile to come out to. Come see some of our local schools and their choral performances.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Art show, we have some of the students in their student art. We have some activities for the younger set with our early childhood education teachers. So just lots and lots of things to do.
It's something for
All
everybody.
Fort Mill.
Yep.
Well, that's it for this edition of Carmen Miller's Talk of the Town, Carolinas. If you're thinking of buying or selling your home, remember to call Carmen. Or perhaps you'd like to see more beautiful homes in our area, simply go to homesfortmill.com. And while you're there, you can check out past episodes of Talk of the Town, Carolinas. Until next time, this is Patty Mercer. Bye-bye.